this lecture, I want to create a simple web page with HTML structure. I opened my text editor. My text editor is Sublime Text. Go to the file, save as, create a new folder, my website, and create a file, first web page .html. Save. Okay, start with introduce doc type HTML. Then we have HTML and close the tag. After HTML we have head tag. Close head tag. Inside of head tag we have title tag. First web page. After head tag we have body tag. I can write some text in body tag. Some text is here. Okay. Now I want open. Go to my website and first web page. Nothing happened. Why? Because I should save this file. I don't save it. Save and now refresh. There you go. Congratulations, you create a simple web page with HTML structure. I will see you in next lecture.